today. 1998 R1, first year cross plane, 2009. How far did the R1 make it in 10 years? We're gonna find out today. Let's go for a ride.
Can this thing keep up with that, man? That is 998 cc's of cross plane 4-valve glory. Woo, baby, today's gonna be a good one. Look at that beauty. Answering the real questions, man. How much faster did the R1 get in 9 years? First gen, 98 R1. First year cross plane, 2009 R1. What is the difference, man? The spec sheet says about 30 horsepower, but how does that feel? What does that look like side by side? We are gonna find out today.
That's exactly what I expected too, but don't count the old girl out just yet. Turns out we had a miscommunication about what gear to be in. Let's see how they really stack up. So yeah, I don't know what happened on that one, but let's keep going. That's not exactly right either. This R1 doesn't have a steering damper. They didn't figure it out until 1999. So let's watch that from a different angle and see what I was going through.
Let's go! I need a steering damper, god damn it! Oh shit. This bike is not for the faint of heart. Man, that speed wobble is butt puckering. Absolutely butt puckering. Let off every time.
It's always kind of sketchy trying to pass somebody in the middle of that, you know?
As soon as I shifted, like this thing's like,
well, I can tell. Mine walks a little too. Oh, we were gaming. That thing's hitting, dude. I'm surprised at how fast that is.
That's right. It's time to get a good clean run in.
Me or not. Oh shit, that was full blast. That front wheel stayed down. We were good to go. That was a great run. I don't know what the fuck he was doing back there. He should have passed me on that one. Woo! What I'm talking about, man. That was good. You can see this bike ain't that slow, man. That raw power, that emissions restrictions, man. That bike's getting half the beans. This bike's getting full beans, baby. Ain't no emissions restrictions on this, baby.
You just popped off the first gen R1 from your 2009. First thoughts, honest impressions.
Honestly, it don't walk as much as you like say it. I mean, that's normal. I feel like, man.
Okay.
I feel like you probably feel the same on mine, and I have 2 dampers. So like, honestly, it's powerful. Like it's a different power band. It's more progressive. It doesn't jump on as hard. This bike still feels pretty fresh. Like the transmission's very fresh.
Yeah.
Man, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. The crossplane has a lot more mid-range. This feels like it definitely gets more powerful the higher up you get, and it just wants more RPMs, whereas the crossplane, it wants to be shifted around. Well, you know, you don't really need to take it all the way up to the top because the torque starts to fall off. So you kind of, you know where it is when you feel it. You kind of feel it come off. This one, it just kind of feels like it just wants to keep going.
Do they feel like family? Do they feel like a better version of the same bike? Obviously, as time goes on, you expect them to get better and faster. Do you still see some similarities?
They're definitely similar. They feel very similar, but this one's definitely a very light. Like it feels very light. It's not as nimble as my bike, but it feels light. There's definitely a lot of torque. A lot of torque, kind of really low. Like when you first, there's a lot of low end torque, and then it kind of mellows out a little bit. I feel like overall it's not bad. You know, it's fun.
Is it a sketchy machine?
I don't think so. I think you say it's sketchier than what it appears to be. I kind of like it. It's not bad at all.
Whatever, guy.
It's fun. It's a lot of fun.
Go. Thank you, man.
Yeah, thanks for the experience. It was cool.
Man, that was awesome and thrilling. Thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Thank you again. Peace.